Okay, so as I have started my exercise 3.3, so let me continue with the sums. So I am taking question number 6 of 1. So A is given as cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha. So you have to verify that A into A transpose is equal to your identity matrix. Okay, so here A matrix is cos alpha sin alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha, and A transpose will be cos alpha. First row will get changed to first column, second row will get changed to second column. Now left hand side is A into A transpose, so you have to multiply this to matrix. Okay, so here what will be the product? Output will be 2 by 2. Since the matrix is 2 by 2, so the output also will get 2 by 2. That is, we'll have 4 elements, is not it? So first row you have to multiply with first column, but in first row first element will have to be multiplied with first element. So it will be cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So the same row we have to multiply with same the next column. So it will be cos alpha sin alpha plus sin alpha cos alpha. Next second row you have to multiply with second column, that is minus sin alpha cos alpha plus cos alpha into sin alpha. Next this second row we have to multiply with second column, that is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha. So already we know that cos square alpha plus sin square alpha is 0, same with different sign function. So it's 0, this is 0, this is 1. So already I have discussed what is the identity matrix. That is, our diagonal element must be 1, 1, and all other remaining positions will be covered with 0. So this is 1, 0, 0, 1, which is equal to our identity matrix. So therefore we have verified that A into the, that means what we have learned, that if you multiply the matrix with its transpose matrix, you will always get an identity matrix. Okay. Okay, next question number 7, 1. So you have a matrix A that is given as 1, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 1, and 5, 1, 3. So you have to show that this is a symmetric matrix. So already I have discussed in my previous video. So A to be a symmetric matrix, for A to be a symmetric matrix, what we must know, that A transpose must be equal to A, is not it? So the matrix to be a symmetric matrix, the transpose of the matrix must be a symmetric matrix, is not it? So now if you take this matrix with its transpose, what will, first row will become first column, second row will become second column, third row will become as third column. So if you see whether it is coming equal or not. Is it equal? Yes. Therefore we can say that A is a symmetric matrix. But in second part what is given? If you have another matrix as 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0. Now here it is given A to be skew symmetric matrix. Okay. A to be skew symmetric matrix. So what was the definition? That is, A transpose must be equal to minus of A, is not it? So A transpose, let us see, 0, 1, minus 1, second row will be minus 1, 0, 1, third row will be 1, minus 1, 0. If I want to take out minus from the first row, what will come? 0, 1, minus 1. If I want to take minus from the second, it will be minus 1, 0, 1. If it is taking minus from the third row, we'll have 1, minus 1, 0. Now is this matrix equal to the original matrix A? Yes, it is equal. Therefore we can comment that A is also a skew symmetric matrix. Okay. Okay, now let us see for question number 8 what is given here. Suppose if you have a matrix A that is 1, 5, 6, 7. In the first part it is given, you have to verify that A plus A dash is symmetric matrix. Okay, you have to verify that summation of A with its transpose matrix is a symmetric matrix. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me consider a matrix P. Okay, that is A plus A dash. Okay, so P to be symmetric matrix. So if I am considering my A plus A dash as one matrix, that is P, and that means I can comment that P can be symmetric matrix only if P dash is coming equal to P, is not it? So let us find the P, that is summation of A plus A dash. So A will be 1, 5, 6, 7, and what will be its transpose? Transpose will be 1, 5, 6, 7, is not it? That is 1, 6, 5 and 7. And if you add it, what is the output we are getting? 2, 11, 11 and 14. This is the P matrix, is not it? And what will be the P dash matrix? That is, first row will become first column, second row will become second column. And if you see, this is P dash. So therefore P dash is coming equal to P. So we can say that, so you can tell like this, since P dash is equal to P, so P is a symmetric matrix. Okay, P is what? A symmetric matrix. Therefore A plus A dash is a symmetric matrix, is not it? Because this was the original question. So A plus A dash is the symmetric matrix.